Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're noticing that your Thermomix TM31 is leaking from the bottom while cooking, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to worn-out seals or a faulty panel. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage to your device and potentially ruin your cooking experience. Let's get started on the repair. For this task, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement seal and panel, and some cleaning cloths. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Carefully turn the device upside down, taking care not to scratch the surface. Using the appropriate screwdriver, remove the screws that hold the bottom panel in place. Remember to keep these screws safe, as you'll need them later. Once the panel is off, inspect the components inside. The most likely culprit for the leak is the seal, which can become brittle over time. Locate it around the mixing bowl area. If it looks worn or damaged, it's time to replace it. Gently pull the old seal out, being cautious not to damage any surrounding components. When installing the new seal, ensure it fits snugly into the designated groove. Next, check the bottom panel for any signs of wear or damage. If it's also broken, you'll need to replace it with a new one. When fitting the new panel, align it correctly and press down to secure it. Now, it's time to reattach the screws. Be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can cause damage. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is secured, turn the Thermomix back over and plug it in. Test it briefly to ensure there are no leaks. If you see any drips, double-check the seal installation. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly inspect the seals and panels of your Thermomix for wear and tear. Keeping your device clean and well-maintained can go a long way in prolonging its life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.